So this is Jessie's wig unboxing moment. And this is not like a paid promotion. I really love wigs. I love different hairstyles. It's the first time I'm reviewing Jessie's wig, so I'm really excited to see what their brand is all about. This is one of their more high-rated wigs. Pre-cut everything. It's a 13x5 with bangs. And let's dive in. So you get a brush, you get a wig cap, let's see, a hair tie, love it, and a comb and brush to get through your edges. I love that it's pre-everything. If you grew up like a tomboy like me, I am not a hair guru. I will never be a hair guru, but I know for the fact that I love wigs and I love not having to do that much work. So this is 22 inches. This feels really soft. I'm really excited to put this on and give it a try. So it's pre-cut everything. So that's what I love about this. It's pre-cut, it's glueless. So I'm gonna get off camera. I'm really excited to try her. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but I'm really excited to see how she fits, how it flows. So the hair feels super soft, no tangling, no shedding right out the box, which is a major win for me. So first impression, I really love how this wig feels. It's super light, it's easy to put on, you can just style it and go. Now that I have worn it for a little bit, I'm obsessed. Like, this is really nice. It's very bouncy. It's light. It's giving body. So let's turn around. Let's give it some body check. Are the curls giving? I hope they are. Oh, I gotta do it one time. I love it. I'm gonna be doing this all night and I'm gonna bother my boyfriend, but I don't care. This is fun for me. I'm getting Galinda vibes. But overall, this is beautiful. This just feels like I just left the hair salon. You just pop it in and then it's a good holiday wig. If you're looking for a holiday wig, this is the wig. This is not a paid promotion, I promise you that. This is literally from my hard-working earning money, and I paid it on the website, and I just wanted to do an honest review about it because I really love wigs. I love trying on different looks and different hairstyles. I do believe that this hairstyle is a must-have for Christmas. It's an everyday wear-and-go wig. Jessie's wig, I love this brand. I am going to be a new customer for sure. I love the quality of this hair. It's giving body, it's giving everything that you need. And I'm gonna be doing more reviews of their hair and of their brand and all of their products. Voila. I use a blow dryer brush and I decided to just do a quick video. I like personally my bangs over my eyes. I know some women love them like above, like they should be at their eyelid. But there's just something like sultry about this look that I wanted to keep it as is. And compression, I don't trust myself with scissors. And to try to cut and try to watch other tutorials on how to cut this bang and cut this wig, I'm not going for it. If I can describe this wig, it's giving sexy, it's giving sultry, it's giving mysterious. Do you like mommy's wig? Yes, this is the final look. I feel like you can do different looks. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay true, stay confident, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ta.